What's up, everybody? Welcome to the German Elite Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad. In tonight's video, I'm going to do a clutch review of the Ringer Racing Stage 4 clutch. Alright, first pull after braking. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed to the channel. It's been awesome the way that the channel has grown over the last month or so, primarily due to the RS3 racing video I did with AZ Euros. And that video's done very, very well, and we're a little over 3,000 subscribers now, so that's awesome. So thank you again to everybody that subscribed, and all the OGs out there. Appreciate the support over the years. So let's get to it. So Ringer Racing Stage 4 clutch that I installed about, it was like 3 weeks ago. I've had about a 700 mile break-in on it so far. I did 500 mile break-in, and then I got about 700 miles on it so far, and it's been awesome. The pedal feels great. It's very smooth. You don't get too much feedback from the clutch itself when it's disengaging. You get a little bit of chatter if you're not quite to the higher RPM range, like above, 1,000 RPM. When you start to kind of release the clutch, it's a tiny bit of chatter, but it's very minimal, and that's mostly due to the lightweight flywheel that I also installed. It is a sprung hub disc, so that helps a lot, but you don't have the give of the dual mass flywheel that helps to kind of dampen that initial takeoff, as well as you get some clutch chatter. So these 3-shaft 6-speed transmissions that are in these GTIs, pretty much any of the 6-speed GTIs, Jettas, that Volkswagen and Audi use with the 3 shafts internally, they create a lot of rattle noise with a single mass flywheel. So when you get rid of the dual mass, go to single mass at idle, especially with AC on, you get some clutch chatter. So, sorry, it's the gear chatter, not clutch chatter, it's gear chatter. So just be aware of that. If you are going with a single mass flywheel, just a heads up, you will get some trans noise. There's a way to kind of minimize that by using some shock-proof transmission fluid. I think it's Redline that sells that one. The factory gear oil is a little on the I would not say like runny side, but it's less viscous than some of the other transmissions out there. But you can go with a slightly thicker weight oil, and that'll help a little bit. But as far as the pedal feel goes, I mean, it's very, very easy to engage and disengage. I've sat in traffic a few times so far. Now that the coronavirus stuff's kind of starting to lighten up a little bit, a little more traffic on the road, so I've been able to experience some stop and go, and it's been great. So I do want to say a huge shout out to Ringer Racing. Mike Hood over there is phenomenal. So if you guys are interested in doing any clutch upgrades on your car, whether it be a B5S4, GTI, Mark 5, or even Mark 4, 1.8 turbo, so pretty much any of the main clutch applications they're going to offer, and yeah, I would definitely suggest going with them. And I've had a few customers so far use the Ringer Racing Stage 4 in their B5S4, and also the Stage 5 too. So the Stage 5 is going to be for your 700-800 plus horsepower range, torque range. So definitely a solid clutch there. I do want to do a little bit of driving real quick, and also kind of show off some flames of the Stage 2 tune I've been working on. Tune update. I got another, probably, I don't know. It's hard to say when exactly it'll be ready for sale, but I am working on getting it perfected. I don't want to release it when it's not perfect. A little bit of boost fluctuation here and there, and that could be my N75. I've said it on a couple other videos, but I need to replace that just to make sure, and then I can kind of fine tune a little bit. Being it is stock wastegate mapping, I can still adjust that a little bit, but I want to make sure that my N75 is good and it's not going to be for an issue for other people. So yeah, well, let's get to some driving and some fun with pops and bangs and flames in this thing. So yeah, if you don't get the RPMs, you get a tiny bit of chatter. It's not even that bad. So I mean, this is awesome for the ratings of this clutch, and to not have that much clutch chatter when engaging is phenomenal. So it's awesome. Let's see if we can get some pops here. A few. Sounds awesome.